O Levels Maths Exercise 13B D1 7th edition. We shall try to cover question number 7 and question number 8 in this video. Question number 7 is about finding the area of this shaded area. Finding the area of this shaded region. Now we can see there are two triangles which are shaded. There are two triangles which are shaded. There are two ways of finding out the area of this shaded region. First of all, we can take out the area of a trapezium. This is a trapezium. I have already told you that the general form of a trapezium is like this. It is a quadrilateral which has four sides and two of its sides are parallel, provided one of the side, this is the height of the trapezium. Now there is another shape for trapezium which is like this. These are two lines are parallel, but in such a shape there is no height. We have to establish height in this kind of a trapezium. So we start from here and make a perpendicular on this line, and here we establish a height here. Now I know if I'll take out the area of the trapezium, I got all the dimensions. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1/2 into height. Height is this. These two lines are parallel lines. These two lines are parallel lines. These arrows symbolize that these lines are parallel to each other, and the straight line which is making a perpendicular, this symbol suggests that it is a 90-degree angle and it is joining these two lines perpendicularly. So this is the height. I have given the dimensions of the both of these two lines, so I can find out the area of the trapezium. If I can find out the area of the trapezium, then I can find the area of this white triangle here, provided if I have the height here. This is the height of a triangle. Such triangles which are of not 90-degree, it starts from the apex and joins at the base at 90-degree angle. So the height would be this, which is opposite to this straight line, so it would be 12 as well. So I got the dimension, because area of a triangle is 1/2 into base into height. So this way I am going to solve this question. I'm not going to take, because these two are also known shapes. This is a triangle, this is a triangle. I can't find the area of the two triangles and add them together, because I do not have the proper information. If I find the area of this triangle, which is area 1/2 into base into height, I do have the height here in this triangle. This is the height, but this base from this A to E is not given to us. This 10 is the total distance from A to D, so I do not have a base here. Likewise here I do not have the base in this triangle, and secondly there is no height. There is no straight line which joins this point to this. Okay, I can say the height is 12 even here, but there is no base. So I am not going to do that. I am going to take out the area of the trapezium and then subtract the area of the triangle BEC from it, and I will get the required result. The question is, the figure shows a trapezium ABCD where AB is perpendicular to AD. AB is perpendicular to AD, which means this is height which is joining these two parallel lines. AB is 12 centimeter, and they have just given the dimensions, and we have to find the area of this shaded region. So I am going to find out area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 into height into sum of parallel sides. So height is 1/2 into height is the perpendicular distance between these two lines. The arrow suggests that these lines are parallel. So it's 12, And sum of parallel sides are these 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14, I'll cut this out, so I'm left with 6 into 24, which is equivalent to 144 centimeter square. Now this is the area of this entire trapezium. This white triangle is also included in this area. I have to take to find the area of the shaded region, I have to subtract the area of this white triangle from the area of the trapezium. So I will write it down. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into height into base. 1 by 2 into height, from starting from this point and ending this, it is opposite to this, so it's 12, and base is this base, where this height starting from apex and making an angle of 90 degree is the base. So 14 is the base. So what am I going to write? 12 into 14, and when I'll do the calculation, I'm left with 84 centimeters square. Now area of shaded part would be the area of trapezium minus area of triangle, which is equivalent to 144 minus 84 is equal to 60 centimeters square is your answer. In question number 8, we have to again find the area of this shaded region, which is a triangle. If I do have the dimensions of base and height in this question, then I will only find the area of the triangle and get the result. But if I do not have either base or height, I cannot find the area of this shaded region alone. I have to use the given information and have to calculate the inferences from it, and then use it to my use it in this question. So the question is, in the figure A, B, F, G and C, D, E, F are two parallelograms. A, B, F, G and C, D, E, F, these are two parallelograms. Parallelograms, the shape of a parallelogram is, it's always tilted, and there is no 90 degree angle, and we have to calculate height in this, and then we have to calculate the area, because area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So here what they have told us, parallelograms such that the sum of their areas is 702 meter squares. They have told us that their area, the sum of their areas is 702 meter square. This is the information we are going to use. Now the next information is, if AB is equal to CD is equal to EF is equal to FG. Now we know, by looking at the figure, we know that they have stroked these lines with small lines, so this means all these lines are equal. So they have given us one dimension. If GF is 27, then all these lines are also, which are being stroked, are also 27. If this is 27, this is also 27, this is also 27, and this is also 27. Now they have given one more information to us, that AB is equal to CD is equal to EF is equal to FG is equal to 1 by 2 BC. BC from this point to this point, which is making the base of this triangle, is BC. This is half of BC. This means, how are we going to calculate this dimension? I'm going to, okay, I'll write GF. GF they have given, because this FG they have given as FG, only one we have to write down, not all. FG is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Now I have to find out the value of base. This means FG is half of BC. Whatever FG is, double of it is BC. So there is an easy way. I am going to replace its values. FG is equal to 27 is equal to 1 by 2 BC. Now I have to calculate the value of BC. When there is nothing underneath it, there is 1. I'll cross multiply it. 2 will go here, 1 will come here. 2 into 27 is equal to this one. 1 into 1 is 1 BC, or BC is equal to 54. So the information I got from here is that this point from here to here is 54. So I'm going to fill in the information. Now I got the base of this triangle. If I can only get the height, then I will just calculate the area of this triangle and I am done with my work. But here height is, I have already told you, they have not given the height of this parallelogram or this triangle. We have to calculate the height of this triangle, which will be the height of this parallelogram as well, because these lines are slant. Height is never slant, it is always straight. So height would be from this point. If I start, because this point touching here and making a perpendicular on this GF would be the height of this parallelogram and this triangle as well, because it is opposite this height is opposite this triangle, which will make the height of this triangle as well. Now I have no clue what to do, how to find the height of this parallelogram. So I'll look at the question and I will look here that they have given us one more information, that sum of their areas is 702 meters. I am going to use this information. What am I going to write? Sum of areas of two parallelograms is equal to 702. They have 702. They have given us the area 702. Now if it's the area of sum of area of two parallelograms, so I'll find area of one parallelogram would be 702 divided by 2. Because it's the area of two parallelograms, I need the area of one parallelogram, so it would be 351 meters square. So one is some area of one parallelogram. I'll divide it by 2 and get my required dimension, 351 meters square. Now I'll write this area, the formula of area, because area is given. First we have to find the area of one parallelogram, then I will write down the formula for area of a parallelogram, because here we are dealing with parallelogram this, so which is base into height. Area I will write 351, one parallelogram, which is the area of one parallelogram. Base of this would be this, where it is making a perpendicular, which is this line, which is making a perpendicular on GF, the straight line, which is 27. Because right now I am not solving this triangle, I am solving this parallelogram, so that I can find the height. Height is unknown, so base I know, which is 27, into height is unknown. 351 is equal to 27. Age I am going to swap, because it's going to make calculations easier. In swapping, sign does not change. So 351 divided by 27, here 27 is multiplying, it will divide here, and we shall get our required result, which is 13 meter. This is the height of the parallelogram, which is also the height of this triangle, which is 13. Now I know my dimensions, so I will calculate the area of this triangle. I know the height and the base of the triangle, so I will write down area of triangle or shaded part, which is a triangle. So 1 by 2 into base into height. Now we have already calculated that base is 54 and height is 13. I am going to do that. 1 by 2 into 54 into 13, and when I'll do my math, then I will be left with the answer, which is 351 meter square.